Alright, so we just wrapped up episode number 2 here at this tree house in Southern Pines, North Carolina. Now for episode number 3, we head to Broadway, Virginia for our Hobbit house. And if you haven't seen this video, check it out after this one. A cool transition. I don't think that was smooth at all, but we're here in Broadway, Virginia at the Hobbit house, and we're gonna dive right in. I mean, the crazy part is you stand right here. It's just a hill. Slide down a little bit. That was not smooth at all. But... all right, here we go. I mean, look at the design. Air conditioning. Nice design of the door. We got a bed. Love the lights too. Bathroom. Nice shower. Alright, time for my session called Little Things That I Like About This Place. This mini waffle maker. This honey shaped as a bear. A stocked fridge with various yogurts, eggs, orange juice, and creamers. Complimentary kettle corn. Complimentary mints. Apples. Not beef jerky, that's mine. And waters. This cool sink. And the little flower. This sink too. These lights shaped like old-time lantern. Super comfy bed. This cute little rocking chair. The chandelier. And lastly, this little stove guy. Kind of looks like when you're in a dome and it's like a tent kind of felt. That's what it looks like with that, but solid concrete. And now my knuckles hurt. Secret door. Okay. Pantry action. Little granulated sugar action. Ooh. Alright, so right now we're in part 3. If you haven't seen any of the other unique Airbnb USA videos, make sure you check them out. What I want to do with this series is become the Guy Fieri of unique Airbnbs. Again, I don't know what that means, but I want to travel the country finding the most unique Airbnbs. This one is in Broadway, Virginia. I want to create a series, so make sure you like and subscribe. I don't know how weird this angle looks, but I'm just going to roll with it anyway. I mean, look at this door. We got brick, we got wood. That is the first car I've seen in 10 minutes. Absolute privacy here. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe for more stuff so we can do more videos like this. And if you're a unique Airbnb host, hit me up and I'll check out your place. Now, as fun as traveling to a unique Airbnb can be, you need to have some things that you can do in the area to give you not only the experience of the Airbnb, but the experience of the area. So here are some spots you can check out. First, we have Shenandoah National Park, one of the most beautiful national parks on the East Coast. It is about 53 minutes from here. Next, you have Lost River State Park. That is about 15 miles from here. I actually just found another unique experience that you can do around here. It's called Beards and Broads Axe Throwing Bar and Grill. So you can drink, eat, and throw axes, But other than that, you can go about 6 miles down the road to the town of Broadway and check out all the restaurants they have there. Plenty of gas stations, food, bars, all that. I'll also point out that there is a Walmart and a Food Lion about 15 minutes down the road as well, in the same town where all the restaurants are. So you got plenty of options. You're really out here kind of in the middle of nowhere, but you got plenty of options just a short drive away. So calm and peaceful. I really wish those dogs weren't just going crazy right now. But that concludes my stay here at the Hobbit House. I felt like Mary Poppins this morning, or whatever the hell her name is, the chick with the rabbits and birds and stuff. Because I was literally just sitting here and a rabbit came up to me and I was like, hey buddy. So yeah, that was episode 3, the Hobbit House. If you want to check out more, make sure you subscribe, and also check the link in the description if you want to book this place. I highly recommend it, and apparently all nature wants a part in the video.